Did you have a chance to think about it? How the ancient explorers could navigate without their cell phones? Well, one of the best objects that you can identify in the sky is the North Star, Polaris. Now, Polaris is very bright. You can see this all the time. Even if you're in a city and as long as there's no clouds covering it, you can see Polaris. It's really big. Now, it looks like all of these stars are rotating around Polaris. Now, that's not really what's happening because the sky is not rotating. We're rotating the Earth. But it appears that all these stars are rotating around this one star. Now, the ancient explorers had a lot of time on their hands. And so to help them remember this, they came up with stories that they could pass down and remember which constellations contain which stars. That way they could determine whether they're heading north, south, east, or west. Well, back during the Greek times, the ancient Greek god, who is the god of all the Greek gods, was named Zeus. And Zeus would often honor his friends, especially ones that he liked very much. He would honor them by putting them in the sky. And so the Big Dipper right here, this is called Ursa Major. Now, Ursa means bear and major means big. So he was honoring his good friend Callisto when he put the Big Dipper in the sky. Now, this is what we normally see. We see this dipper right here. Now, if you can identify the Big Dipper, you can just look straight up because the Little Dipper, which is Ursa Minor or Little Bear, is going to pour into the Big Dipper. Well, this is Callisto's son, and Callisto's son is always able to look at his mother. So if you can see the Big Dipper, you can just look up. The Little Dipper is pouring into it, and at the end of that Little Dipper is the North Star, Polaris. So when you look up in the sky and you follow where the North Star is, you're going north. And if you're facing the North Star, you put your hands out like this. This is going to be north. Over here will be your east, your west, and behind you will be the south. That's how you can navigate just using the sky.